Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two fantastic espresso makers, the Bene Casa 3-cup electric espresso machine and the Bialetti Moka Induction. If you're a coffee lover looking for the perfect brewing experience, you're in the right place. As always, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let's dive right in. When it comes to design, both espresso makers offer a sleek and stylish aesthetic. The Bene Casa machine features a smart silver and black design with a transparent carafe that allows you to witness the brewing process. On the other hand, the Bialetti Moka Induction sports the classic Moka Express look with an aluminum upper part and a stainless steel boiler. Whether you prefer a modern or traditional design, both options will add a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. When it comes to the brewing process, the Bene Casa Espresso maker offers effortless espresso brewing with its automatic controls. You can enjoy fresh espresso at your convenience without any hassle. On the other hand, the Bialetti Moka Induction follows the simple and time-tested stovetop brewing method. Just fill the boiler, add ground coffee to the filter, and let it gurgle. Both methods deliver delicious espresso, but it ultimately comes down to your personal preference and convenience. If you frequently serve espresso to friends or have a larger household, the Bene Casa Espresso maker with its 3-cup capacity will suit your needs perfectly. It's compact and takes up minimal countertop space. On the other hand, the Bialetti Moka Induction comes in various sizes, allowing you to choose the perfect option based on your serving preferences. Whether you enjoy espresso cups or prefer larger containers, Bialetti has got you covered. When it comes to consistently great espresso, the Bene Casa Espresso maker takes the lead with its automatic cutoff feature. It guarantees perfect espresso every time you brew. Additionally, it offers a 30-minute keep warm feature, ensuring your espresso stays ready even during busy moments. On the other hand, the Bialetti Moka Induction offers simplicity and reliability. With easy rinse and cleaning instructions, it's a convenient brewing companion for your daily espresso fix. And that brings us to the end of our comparison video. Both the Bene Casa 3-cup electric espresso machine and the Bialetti Moka Induction have their unique features that make them outstanding choices for passionate coffee lovers. Whether you prioritize ease of use, brewing method, or capacity, both options excel in various ways. Have you made up your mind? Let us know in the comments below which espresso maker you prefer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.